Hi Rossi babes, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to create nail extensions using Rossi Glitter Nail Gel. Keep on watching to learn different application methods and our best tips and tricks. Our glitter nail collection consists of 10 gorgeous glitter colors. The colors are Fine Black, Burgundy, Marin, Mauve, Gold, Silver, Soft Purple, Red Bloom, Baby Blue, and Soft Pink. We will start our manicure process by pushing back the cuticle. Next, gently buff down the natural shine of your nails. Use a finer side grid on your Rossi nail buffer. This will allow for better adhesion and longer wear. Wipe the nails with a lint-free pad soaked in alcohol to remove any dust and natural oils. Next, apply Rossi primer. Paint a thin coat and wait for 2 minutes to air dry. This primer won't evaporate completely, and it leaves a sticky residue on the nail. Primer acts like a double-sided sticky tape. Apply base coat. Use a rubbing motion. Make sure the base got to all the gaps of the matted nail plate. Cure for 60 seconds in the Rossi LED nail lamp. We are going to extend that first nail using paper nail forms. They come in a set of 100 pieces. We're going to do only a short extension, so the extra length is not needed in this case. Roll the form between your fingers to create your C curve. Remove the backing paper and open the form. Stick together the front tabs, making sure they are symmetrical. Set the form under the nail. Make sure there are no big gaps between the form and the nail. Align the middle line of the form to the middle of the nail. Pinch the form 2 numbers under the length you want to achieve. Soak a Rossi multi-tool brush in some alcohol. This will prevent Rossi gel from sticking to the brush. Squeeze the ready-to-use formula from the tube. Place it at the end of your natural nail. Pat the product into place to create the desired shape and length of the nail. Blend towards the cuticle area. Cure it on the lamp for 60 seconds. Remove the form by pinching it together and pushing it downwards. Take a medium-sized bead and apply it to the middle of your natural nail. You can use the same color as for extension or pick a different color to create an ombre effect. Pat the gel into place and cure for 60 seconds. For the next nails, we will be using Rossi dual forms. This box includes 100 pieces and 10 different sizes. You want to choose the dual form that is slightly larger than the size of your nail. Place a small bead of gel on the inner side of the dual form. Soak your brush in the rubbing alcohol and move it gently to create the length of the nail. Place it on half of your nail and apply gentle pressure for a few seconds. Turn your hand around to smooth out the underside. Cure for 60 seconds. Remove the dual form by pinching the margins. Remember that dual forms are reusable. You can simply clean them with alcohol and use them for the next mani. Apply another bead of Rossi gel in the middle of your nail. You can use the same color as for the extension or pick a complementary color. The reason we use this 2-step process is that it's way easier to create a flush and even cuticle area. This prevents cuticle flooding with gel and problems with lifting. Using a brush to create an apex gives you more control. It's also a cool way to use multiple colors on the same nail. When you're happy with the results, cure for 60 seconds in the Rossi LED nail lamp. You can always use a regular method of using the dual forms. After you push down the form on your nail, always remember to clean any spillage as this can cause lifting in the future. Cure for 60 seconds. After you are done creating all the nails, wipe them with a lint-free wipe soaked in alcohol. Clip the nail to the desired length and start filing. Click in the top right corner to watch our more detailed video on how to file your nails into the 4 most popular shapes. Next, smooth everything out using a pink Rossi buffer. Clean the filing dust very well. This is a super important step. Dust can interfere with a top coat application and leave an uneven surface. Apply one even layer of NailGel top coat. This is our favorite moment in any manicure. The gloss of the top coat makes the glitter shine and bring the whole manicure back to life. Cure for 60 seconds in the Rossi LED nail lamp. As always, remember to use Nourish cuticle oil. To keep your cuticles and nails strong and healthy, get in the habit of applying cuticle oil every day. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more weekly videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Bye, Rossi babes!